number of it is various chemicals can be applied only.
What is practical use of this in our daily life?
Mental level.
Have you ever gone through this topic in your daily life? कभी आपने ऐसा किया है?
Like the process of the large amount of data.
इसका तो मुझे नहीं मालूम
Pythagoras
fundamental relationship between the sides of right angle triangle used in construction and architecture. अच्छा ये कंस्ट्रक्शन में और आर्किटेक्चर
ये सर जहाँ भी राइट एंगल बनती है
जी जी
ये वहाँ पे
तो what you want to become after completion of your studies? What you want to become after completion of your studies? Cricketer? Okay. So you want to have that cricket game as a profession in your life? Okay.
Yes, Hatim, what do you know about this? Explain your topic.
Explain your topic. Okay, slope of mountain. Okay. Making stairs. Okay.
What? Yes.
And what you want to become? Army officer. Okay. Move on next step.
Yes, sir.
Still, you need to speak more. Okay? जी
Myself
Salman, Fahad and Hassan. You are going to present computer or gate.
It is a type of a logical gate, and the main topic is basically OR gate, but the previous topics are logical gate. And in this OR gate, we will tell about its functioning. It uses two inputs, high and low. When the one input is high and the other input is low, the output will also be high. And both the inputs are low, the output will also low.
Okay.
Its functioning will tell you.
That is directly proportional to the, we have
Input and
we
output.
have studied directly proportional to the input and output, है?
Yes.
अच्छा, हमने जो पढ़ा है वो जो टेम्परेचर है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द प्रेशर होता है और प्रेशर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द टेम्परेचर.
Temperature.
Whenever temperature increases, the pressure
Also
definitely
increases, yes.
And whenever pressure increases, the temperature is increases. Like अगर आप गाड़ियों के उसमें हवा भरते हैं ना, तो जैसे जैसे आप टायर में हवा भरते जाते हैं, अगर आपके पास थर्मामीटर है तो उसका टेम्परेचर भी ज़्यादा होता जाता है. ओके, मुझे इसका नहीं पता क्योंकि मेरी ये नहीं है तो डोमेन.
जी सर.
ठीक है.
So
Okay, Fahad, now you also want to describe this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now I will tell you about the implementation of OR gate. First, we attach the positive wires of battery with the
LED.
LED. And the wires of LED are parallel connected with the switches.
Okay.
So all the process. And the example of in our real life is like PIA. When pilot flew the plane, it opens all the button. What this means, the inputs are also high. Then the plane travels some distance. It opens the automobile auto air button.
Okay. Autopilot mode.
It means half planes are in high input and half are low input.
For the practical work, see when one input is high and other is
When
low.
one input is high, then other is output is also low. When both inputs are high, then the output is also high. When both inputs are zero, then outputs are also zero.
Okay. That is all from your side?
Yes.
Okay, now you, beta.
same.
Same.
Say something.
Say something about it.
Just point it
सब
towards
कुछ
them.
बता दिया. नहीं, हम आपसे भी सुनना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
हैं?
Come on,
Salman.
Salman, he Salman. Okay, Salman.
Salman. Describe this model or gates.
सर जब इसकी वन इनपुट आई होगी तो इसकी आउटपुट भी आएगी. जब दोनों इनपुट इसकी लो होगी तो इसकी आउटपुट भी लो होगी. तो ये हमारे घरों में भी इस्तेमाल होता है.
घरों में कहाँ इस्तेमाल?
डोर बेल्स में.
जी.
डोर बेल्स.
डोरबेल्स में.
जब हम इसको इनपुट आई करेंगे तो आउटपुट इसकी आउटपुट आई होगी.
ठीक है. सलमान, try to speak English, okay? Hassan. Sadeem and Hassan. Yes.
All the computer and network devices are called nodes. In which we created two models of ring or star topologies. Ring topology is shaped like a ring. All the nodes can play the role of light and circle. All can share data. The data which is shared will only receive by the node which is whom it is addressed. The other will ignore it. If any error in the anyone's nodes, the whole network will disturb. Same as in the star, but there is a switch or hub is central device who controls all the information about the node, and all if there is error in any one nodes, whole network will not disturb. But if there is error in switch or hub, the whole network will affect because switch is a administrator who provides data and information to the
Switch is the administrator. Okay. So which provides data to all
all the nodes.
devices, all the nodes or devices. Okay. That's all from your side? Muhammad Numan.
Here our topic is network topology. Network topology is the physical arrangement of a node. It's called the topology, network topology. We discuss about the ring and the star topology. Ring topology is a topology which is shaped in a ring. There are two nodes in the start and the stop. One node which sends the data, the other the sender data, the home it is sent, it is only receive and other it will ignore it. And if any computer have any error, it can disturb all data disturb.
Okay. You are Numan, Sadeem and Hassan?
Man.
Hassan. Hassan, can you please explain a little?
Yes. This is a ring topology. Ring topology is shaped like a ring. When the computer when the data is transmitted through the ring topology, only the receiver can receive data, other will ignore it. These ring topology, if ring topology is damaged from other will not stand to end. And here is the star topology. Star topology is it has a shape like a star. It has a switch and hubs which is called administrator. When the data transmitted the data transmitted through the hub. All the computers can have
Where is hub?
data.
Yeah, here is hub. Okay. So
Which
where
one
is
is modern
administrator?
and
Where is the administrator?
hub is
Switch.
called-
Where is the
hub is called administration.
okay? The same switch or hub is called administrator. चलिए इधर आइए कोई और प्रेजेंटेशन क्या था
catapult
कैटापल्ट
and tribute shot?
टीवी शॉट
It's the other name of
invented by
catapult.
Greek अच्छा Greek dialysis 400 BC what stands for BC
BC
before
stands
Christ
for Christ.
okay explain it
First, this is invented by a Greek person, which is named Renaissance in 400 BC. This is the main weapon of
you didn't introduce yourself
Yeah. All of you should.
Fakhri Alam do you belong to the same
Yes.
group
Yes.
okay your name
My name is
Abbas Fakhri Alam Hassan Saib okay Fakhri Alam
This is mainly used in military wars, Russian and ancient times.
okay
This can be there is one metallic rod and movable plank.
okay
This can be
oh it's a kind of gun
Yes.
it's kind of a gun I mean in ancient ages
Yes, in ancient wars,
in ancient wars
it is
So-
used to throw stones,
Yeah, throw stone
and even
and-
fireballs.
fireballs and also the metal balls also.
Yes, metal.
maybe okay yes
the movement of this projectile motion when we leave it from here, so the force captured in it releases and it forms a projectile.
okay
When the
the distance depends on the distance depends upon on the weight
weight on the
and on fulcrum ये इसको क्या कहेंगे
Fulcrum?
metallic rod.
उस पर डिपेंड करता है yes Hassan
My name is this project, this is called, is also called catapult. This is used by Romans and Greeks at ancient times. This is a main weapon of military.
okay
Main weapon of military is called castles
and nowadays Hassan tell me the modern weapon of military
one weapon of military tank,
nowadays
Yeah. Say aloud, beta.
huh?
tank, atomic bomb.
atomic bombs the most
Modern
yeah,
and
modern and advanced
Hydrogen
technology.
bombs. even.
Hydrogen bombs also. Okay,
Nuclear weapon.
good. Saim, you say something about it.
My name is Simon Van Eigen. It is a mechanism of force propelling stones. It is used to shoot stone and arrows.
Okay. Saim, what you want to become after completion of your
Completing your
studies? What do you want to be in future?
Not decided yet.
साइम आपने डिसाइड नहीं किया आप क्या बनना चाहेंगे फ्यूचर में हैं? अच्छा हसन इंजीनियर विच इंजीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर होम बिजनेस योर फादर इज डूइंग एनी बिजनेस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस डज ही हैव showroom of cars you also want to join the same business okay your name
My name is Abbas.
Abbas, can you please explain this?
Sir, the previous shot has two sides. First side has he attach a big stump, and second side we attach a bucket. When we leave the big stone, it move and we are leaving it downward,
Okay.
and this bucket will move upward.
Okay.
And this is the process of
Where we use this?
and
What?
wars to destroy castles.
And when? when we were using this, when people
400 BC.
400 BC. Okay.
Good.
And what you want to become? You want to become a doctor? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. ये तो कल भी हमने देखा.
जी 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 जी.
नहीं कल.
It is very common nowadays.
जी. First of all, introduce yourself.
Myself,
Muhammad.
Mohammed Oman.
Ruman. Manzar. Okay.
We have made a pendulum wave that shows the movement of wave.
So this is pendulum. Yesterday we saw what was that?
It was also pendulum.
Yesterday was Newton cradle.
Newton cradle.
Yes.
Yes, it was Newton.
That is
cradle.
pendulum.
Okay.
This is
We have used different pendulums to show the this show the movement of wave. First of all, we have used the pink ball. This is the amplitude, the amplitude and the frequency adjustable motion to each other. If the amplitude is smaller, the frequency will be more greater. And if this is the larger amplitude, and if amplitude will be greater, the frequency will be smaller. Now I
Can you perform it?
you will see the waves.
Sure.
Wave forms waves. This is the wave form.
Okay.
Movement of
Very interesting.
See, this is the smaller amplitude, so he is.
It is. Do it again.
Slowly. Snake.
Oh.
This is the wave form.
Show the whole wave travel, the pendulum wave travel.
Okay.
This motion is called
Pendulum motion.
is called. This is they are moving.
Wave.
Yes, to and fro motion. This is the example of to and fro motion.
That is to and fro motion.
Yes.
Every pendulum is
This is
different.
also an example in this.
Okay. In daily use.
It is daily using clocks,
Clocks.
amusements, spark rides.
Park rides. Yes. Yes.
The clocks which pendulum clock.
What do you want to become?
Software engineer.
Software engineer. And you? You also want to be. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. हाँ. ये हम आप ही आए ना. आप तो है ही साइंटिस्ट.
सर इसलिए मैंने कहा था मुश्किल सवाल करेंगे आकर.
इसके बारे में बच्चों ने बताया.
सर आप
ये
बैठे.
प्रैक्टिकल करें. नहीं नहीं ये बैठे. मैं तो आगे हूँ ना बैठ.
बॉल ज़्यादा लगा दिए
हैं?
शार्प काफ़ी थे वैसे।
कितने बाब्स होने चाहिए?
ये कुछ है.
अच्छा चलें
करें.
परफॉर्म करें।
इसके बारे में साथ साथ बताइए भी.
Explain it.
The to and fro motion. This will show the transfer waves. Means wave form, direction of wave.
And in
You will see and pendulum clock. Pendulum clock moving here and there. Park rides in parks.
park rides.
वेव मोशन माशाल्लाह जी बहुत अच्छे।
Okay, moving. You all are the same. What do you want to become? Mandan? Software engineer. Army officer. Good.
Inshallah.
Walaikum salam. When?
Tomorrow.
Yesterday.
Yes.
So your procedure is complete.
Yes.
Did you visit doctor also? What do you
Now
say?
I have to make the retainer.
Okay. When you are going to the next procedure?
3 to 4 days.
After 3 to 4 days. Okay. Do you feel any difference?
Yes.
That is good. No? May Allah bless you. Okay.
This is our environment ecosystem. The ecosystem has 2 types of factors, biotic factors and abiotic factors. The biotic factors include the living things, just like animals, plants and fungi. These biotic factors are the part of the ecosystem. The area in which the organism lives, all organisms live in the area. This area is called ecosystem. The interaction of the organism with their environment is called ecosystem. they have two types of factors. The abiotic factors include sunlight, water, soil, air. These all are the parts of the environment and make the ecosystem. Without any of other component, we can say that if abiotic factors are removed from the ecosystem will be unable to run. And our other topic is the food chain. Food chain is the
Food chain is related to abiotic and ecosystem?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is related because the producers, such as plants, need the air, soil, and water to grow.
Which has come from the sun and the
Yes,
soil
sunlight,
and other things. Okay.
sunlight and the soil. They give the energy to the mice, which are the primary consumers.
Okay.
They feed on the producers.
Yeah.
After the primary consumer, there come the secondary consumer, which eat the other consumers and other producers also. After this, we come on the tertiary consumer. Tertiary consumers are the consumers which feed on the secondary and primary consumers.
Okay.
Hawk is also the tertiary consumer. And after this, we came on the decomposers. The decomposers are the fungi and algae which feed on the dead animals. Just like that, if hawk dead, they will eat on the hawk. Yes, they will decompose the hawk.
Decomposed by the?
Yes.
By the?
By the fungi and
the
algae.
decomposer.
Okay. By the decomposer.
Yes.
Abiotic factors are living or non-living?
Non-living. These are the non-living.
Very well.
And biotic factors are living.
He explained more good than yesterday we saw.
Yes.
हाँ? मुझे भी ये बहुत समझ आ
Very
गया.
well.
इससे पहले मुझे इतना ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आया.
They haven't explained in that detail.
Yes.
So I shall.
Very good. And Saad, what about your experience about it?
सिस्टम वो होता है जहाँ पे मतलब
Can you speak English or not?
the organisms live in environment. The interaction of an environment, the interaction of an organism with its environment, इसका ecosystem. मतलब जितना ecosystem हमारा ठीक होगा उतनी करने की कोशिश करेंगे उस माहौल में कि उनको माहौल अच्छा मिलेगा, एयर अच्छी मिलेगी. और उसके बाद the organisms which lives इसका environment. उसके बाद food chain is a series of combination of an organism. We transfer energy और इसकी दो टाइप की एबायोटिक और बायोटिक. एबायोटिक नॉन लिविंग है, फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर, सॉइल, सी. और बायोटिक जो है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है, फॉर एग्जांपल प्लांट्स, फंजाई.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया. नहीं, नो डाउट कि इस बच्चे ने बहुत क्लियर वर्ड्स में बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया. बंद कर मैंने हमारे बारे में बात
Together on our
Very good. Thank you very
Well
much.
done. What do you want to become? Army officer. And you? Businessman. Your dad is doing any business?
They
What kind
are
of business?
all inshallah future doctors.
Okay. Walaikum salam.
doctor is also a business.
Ayan Yusuf Zali.
Myself Hussain Shahid from class 9. Myself Hussain Shahid from class 9.
You are the brother of Hassan?
Yes.
Myself Ali Hamza, I am from class
Okay. Ali Hamza from class 9. Okay.
We are here to represent photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the combination of two words. Photo means light and synthesis. Photosynthesis is the process to plant based on sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of this process, which is inhaled by us. Indirectly or directly, photosynthesis is related to all animals. Carbon dioxide and water play an important role in photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is the raw material of photosynthesis. It provides carbon and oxygen for the glucose synthesis. Carbon dioxide is found in atmosphere in a very little amount of 0.04%. Water provides hydrogen, which is used to reduce carbon dioxide into glucose. Now Alimda will tell you about the role of light.
Yes, Ali.
Plant utilize only red, blue and orange light, which plant utilize as electromagnetic spectrum of light, which is also known as visible light.
plant look green because it reflects only green light. Role of chloroplast. Chloroplast A is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. At the thylakoid membrane, there is photosynthesis process and plant. Now Ayani should tell about the
Mechanism of photosynthesis. Yes, Ayan.
Mechanism of photosynthesis depend upon two stages, which are the light dependent and the light independent reaction. The reaction which does not depend upon sunlight is called light independent reaction, and the reaction which depends upon sunlight is called light dependent reaction. The following reaction is the light dependent reaction. The light dependent reaction takes place only in the presence of a light. When the light falls on the leaves, there are many small grains which are there is a membrane which is known as the thylakoid membrane. This membrane consists of photosynthetic pigment. The pigment. The photosynthetic pigment in the photosynthetic pigment they are arranged in small clusters which are known as photosystem. Chlorophyll A absorbs the chlorophyll A in these rays absorb the sunlight and as a result emits a chain of electrons. These electrons then travel through the electron transport chain, and these electrons are then used as an energy source for the ATP synthesis. During this process, photolysis takes place, which breaks down the water molecule. In order to do the light independent reaction, the plant requires an ATP, many small chlorophyll enzymes, water and carbon dioxide, and as a result they produce oxygen, ATP and NADPH.
ATP वो क्या होता है?
ATP is the adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency of the cell.
Okay.
It provides energy.
Very good. Well done, all of you. What do you want to become? Doctor? You look like a doctor. No? You want to be a doctor, mashallah. You want to join an army as an officer. May Allah bless you all. May your dreams come true. Okay? May Allah. अच्छा जी. Albert.
So the topic for presentation is the evolution of atoms. My team is Zafar Ahmed Ali.
Yes, Ali. Can you please speak louder?
Speak loudly.
Use words.
A little more. Have you taken breakfast this morning?
We use some about both making the cell and atom things and cardboard
Who these people are?
these people are the scientists
They worked on items?
they gave
Atoms. Atom, in fact. ATOM, huh? Atoms. Do you know about him? Have you studied about him? Okay. Ahmed? Yes. Walaikum salam.
As my fellow member, Anas Sheikh already mentioned our presentation topic, which is atom and definition of atom. So let me see democratic. He is the well-known scientist of his time. He proposed that matter cannot be divided into further pieces.
Matter cannot be divided into further pieces. ये कि पहले इनकी थ्योरी थी ये सबसे पहले. Okay.
He also said that matter is made up of tiny solid particles known as atoms. His contribution helped the people to understand the idea of an atom and help other scientists to further look into the science of an atom and his algebraic theory. The first scientist who proposed the first atomic theory, John Dalton.
John Dalton.
This is his atomic theory.
Okay.
He reviewed atom as tiny solid balls. He proposed that atoms are irreversible and indestructible. All atoms of an element are identical. All atoms of different elements have different weight and different chemical properties. All atoms of different elements combine in a simple whole number to form a compound. Lastly, Dalton proposed that atoms are indestructible and cannot be created. But when a compound decomposes, atoms are retrieved unchanged. So that's it for my presentation. Now I will have to call Jawahar Usman for his presentation.
Wonderful. This presentation is mashallah wonderful. Well,
Mustafa, speak loudly.
एक मिनट के बाद बस speak loudly करेंगे.
I will tell you about.
She is the teacher of chemistry as well. That's yeah.
Okay.
This is her class.
Good.
The fourth 94. J.J. Thompson. J.J. Thompson proposed that after 7 years, he the cell model. There are another particles inside atoms that are called protons. After that, Rutherford proposed that there are atoms, and in atom there are proton and nucleus. This is nucleus. He said that protons are positively charged in a particle in the nucleus. After that, what are the theory of Rutherford and Newton? Because there was some difference in the theory of electrons. He proposed that all protons fall in a circular orbit, specifically in nucleus. These orbits are called circular orbits or just
Anas.
Lastly, James Chadwick, also a prominent scientist of his time, along with Rutherford discovered the electron, discovered the neutrally charged particle in an atom, which is now known as in today's day and age, the atomic structure that has been, atomic theory that has been made, the work done from 1920 up until now is the atomic.
You are talking about the model quantum theory.
You are scaring him, please.
आप उर्दू में बोलें, ऊंचा बोलें, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग है ना इसकी, है ना आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
Sir, Anas also good command in English.
Very good. चलिए फिर carry on, Anas. I also want to learn something from you.
Work done since 1920 up until now has been proposed that this atomic structure, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a cloud.
Yes. आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं. इतना ही था.
मत डराओ.
अब मुझे क्या पता ये जीनियस ये खड़े हुए हैं.
सर आंखें निकाल रही है इतनी देर से उनको आंखें निकाल रही है बेचारे.
नहीं जब उन्होंने बच्चों ने ठीक किया है, इनके जितना कुछ उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया बेहतर किया होगा और उनका नॉलेज भी बहुत बेहतर है.
Sir, actually it's history may be confusing. It's history about the scientist which work on atom and after that the
ये इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सीक्वेंस बनाया कि जनाब जिसने फर्स्ट टाइम वो किया ना एक्सप्लोर किया एटम को, उससे लेकर उन्होंने मुख्तलिफ हर किसी ने उसकी थ्योरी में कोई डिफरेंट चेंजेस लेकर आए, रिसर्च की और फिर चेंजेस लेकर आए.
क्लासिकल टू मॉडर्न.
हाँ, क्लासिक टू मॉडर्न बिल्कुल. तो चलें ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच. बेटा ओह माय गॉड. अच्छा, सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि इन्होंने कहा कि इंशाल्लाह, यानी कि आई वांट टू बिकम, इंशाल्लाह मींस दैट इज रियली वेरी गुड थिंग. क्योंकि अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला अगर चाहे तो इंसान वो कुछ बन सकता है.
Exactly.
Well done. Do you want to become army officer?
Inshallah.
I always, I have different students in my school. I used to say that. Huzaifa. Computer engineer. Oh.
Businessman and
He want to become a businessman because the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was also a businessman.
yeah,
Very good.
mashallah. Inshallah.
Well done.
May Allah bless
May
you
Allah
with your
bless you and
dreams.
may Allah come your dream true.
Ah.
But ख्वाब देखना बेटा आसान होता है, ख्वाब को अपनी उसके शर्मिंदा ताबीर तक करना वो मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन जिसने ख्वाब देखा होता है ना वो उसके लिए करता है. आई विश कि आप सारे
Taiba, there will be another guest at बहुत ही अच्छा जबरदस्त another guest will come at 12.
अहमद अब्दुल्ला है. Yes.
Yeah, at 12:30. So don't take away all this.
pH indicator. What stands for pH?
Is the hydraulic concentration in some sort of sheet which are represented here.
Hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion.
Okay. Move on.
What stands for pH? Sir is asking what stands for.
Yes, I just wanted to ask you what stands for pH.
Yeah,
pH है क्या
you
चीज़?
haven't told.
ये क्या, ये किसका अभी? नहीं, pH इंडिकेटर तो वो है ना बेटा, वो तो उसको pH को मेजर करने के लिए है, ठीक है?
pH
But
क्या होता है?
pH stands for
pH जो है वो जो भी सोल्यूशन होता है ना उसको बताते हैं कि एसिडिक है, अल्कलाइन है,
और what stands for pH? हम कहते हैं ना pH वैल्यू, pH पानी के अंदर ये चीज़ें होती हैं.
Biological marker of hydrogen ion.
Okay, move on.
Now chemists use pH scale for measuring the acidity and acidity. Chemists use number from 0 to 14 to measure the acidity, sugar and alkalinity.
0 to
0 to 14.
14.
pH less than 7 is acidity and pH greater than 7 is alkalinity.
What suit for us, for my body, for your body?
Acid.
वो कितनी होनी चाहिए? pH वैल्यू उसकी कितनी होनी चाहिए?
7
Yes. More than 7?
or 7.
More than 7. है ना?
What is the pH of blood?
ब्लड क्या है? वो एसिडिक है या अल्कलाइन है या न्यूट्रल है? क्या है? ठीक है. ब्लड में अगर वो एसिडिटी होती तो फिर तो हर चीज़ों को खा तो चला जाता है.
Slightly toward
हाँ.
base.
और दूध जो हम पीते हैं वो क्या है? अल्कलाइन है या एसिड? दूध जो हम पीते हैं, दूध मिल्क क्या है? एसिड है या अल्कलाइन है? नहीं.
एसिड की तरफ से वो 6 होता है उसका pH.
ये देखें ना, ये लिखा हुआ है
7 to 8 आते हैं.
6 to 8 है इसमें.
6 to
2 to 6 acidic.
हाँ,
7
वो एसिडिक है. मिल्क जो है वो
बच्चे pH stand for, you didn't tell sir, pH negative logarithm of hydrogen stand for.
lactic acid in it. So it's
ओके ओके.
Now we will do some experiment.
तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करें. अच्छा, ये इसलिए कि हमें आता है चीज़ें, ये इसलिए हम ज़्यादा सवाल पूछते हैं कि जिन लोगों को आता होता है ना तो वो आपको डिफरेंट तरीके से पूछते हैं. जिन लोगों को जिन चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं आता ना,
नहीं आता
सर काउंट कर दिए.
हैं?
मुझे भी काउंट कह रही है मैं केमिस्ट्री की टीचर हूँ, हमने मुझे भी काउंट कर दिया बीच में.
हाँ, जाहिर है. जी बेटा.
Now it is a heat natural extractor. Now we will add some drops of HCl.
HCl.
Yes. And its color change to purple. So it is a acidic. Its pH is 6.
ओके, मतलब 0 to 6 तक की है इसकी pH, है ना?
Yes.
लेकिन pH किस तरह से, इसकी कितनी pH है? वो pH मीटर होता है.
कलर चार्ट से इसको कंपैरिजन करें.
मीटर भी है, अब तो मीटर आ गया है ना. pH मीटर आ गया, तो कलर की बजाय ना pH मीटर आ गया.
digital भी और analog भी है.
हाँ,
दोनों में.
आ गया. ओके, गुड. और कोई
Base.
It is a red cabbage extractor.
Red cabbage.
Yes.
Okay.
We will add some orange juice. Its color changes to light. Its pH is 3.
Okay.
You cannot compare this color with the chart.
Yes. Can you compare?
Compare it with the color
ये तो
chart
मुझे
where it
यहाँ पे
was.
नहीं आ रहा ये वाला है ना? जीरो पे बिल्कुल आ रहा है। तो फिर
Sir, here
फिर
is
इसको बैटरी एसिड
the
के तौर पे
beat
इस्तेमाल
natural
करें।
indicator. It's the general pH scale, and here is the beat, and
अच्छा
here is the red
अच्छा
cabbage.
बीट का जो है नेचुरल इंडिकेटर ये है और वो कैरेट उसका रेड कैबेज का ये है। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, चले ये तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है
जी।
है ना। अब देखिए ना, इसमें आपने वैल्यूज भी लिखी हुई है इसकी साथ साथ। ये pH 12 है, pH 7, ये pH 7 जो हम पानी पीते हैं वो बेसिकली pH उसकी ना 7 होता है। ठीक है,
इसलिए उसे न्यूट्रल भी कहते हैं। उसकी pH
नहीं बेटा, वो न्यूट्रल बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि न्यूट्रल जो है ना जाहिर है वो आपकी बॉडी के लिए सूटेबल नहीं होगा।
प्योर वाटर है pH 7.
उसके अंदर कुछ मिनरल्स मौजूद होते हैं और
Don't drink pure water. They have some chemicals in it.
और ये जो न्यूट्रल वाटर होता है ना वो आप बैटरीज में डालते होते हैं ना, फिर उसमें आप एसिड ऐड करते हैं, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर फिर वो डिफरेंट तरह की उसकी ना रोटिंग नहीं होती है, उसकी इस तरह की रोटिंग वगैरह। एनी हाउ, वेरी बैड। आप भी कुछ बताएंगे? बता चुके आप किन्होंने? आप अपने तौर पे भी कुछ बताएं।
जब हम लोग बीट को उसके अंदर डालते हैं किसी भी सब्सटेंस के अंदर, तो उसकी वजह से उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है, तो हम लोगों को पता लगता है कि वो एसिडिक है या बेसिक है। तो अगर ये कहते हैं उसकी पीएच जो सी है वो 0 से लेके 6 के दरमियान होगी तो वो एसिडिक होगा, और अगर ये कहते हैं उसके हिसाब से उसके कलर भी होते हैं, जो कलर होगा उसके हिसाब से उसकी पीएच हम लोग मेजर करेंगे, और उस मेजर के हिसाब से हम लोग बताएंगे कि वो एसिडिक है या बेसिक है। तो अगर ये कहते हैं 6 से लेके 14 तक होगा तो वो हमारे पास एसिडिक होगा, तो उसके कलर के हिसाब से हम लोग उसे इंडिकेट भी कर सकते हैं, और उसकी पीएच भी हम
पानी के जो पीने वाला ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, क्या क्या होनी चाहिए? सोडियम, कॉपर नहीं होता, फॉस्फेट होता है, कॉपर है। कॉपर तो बहुत हैवी मेटल है। चेक कीजिएगा ना, पानी की बोतल के ऊपर कुछ लिखे होते हैं जी, ठीक है। और आपका भी यही टॉपिक है, आप बनना क्या चाहते हैं बड़े होकर? बिजनेसमैन? पापा का बिजनेस है? क्या बिजनेस है? आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं? ओह इंशाल्लाह 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 पीएचडी करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। और आप नासा को ज्वाइन करना चाहिए,
कंपनी खरीदना चाहिए सर, खरीदना चाहिए,
नासा को खरीदना चाहिए इंशाल्लाह। देखिए बेटा, आपका कोई भी एम जो है वो हमेशा है। एक टीचर ने मुझे कहा था कि मेरा बेटा मुझे कहता है कि मामा मैंने फरारी खरीद ली, फरारी इज द मोस्ट प्रीशियस कार तकरीबन है, तो वो ये कहता है कि मैंने गाड़ी लेनी है तो फरारी लेनी है। अब जाहिर है उसने फरारी का उसने कुछ ध्यान में रखा होगा, तो उसके लिए वो इतनी मेहनत करेगा। लेकिन नासा को भी तो वो एक इदारा जो है उसको भी तो कभी किसी ने शुरू किया हुआ होगा ना,
बुनियाद तो किसी इंसान
बुनियाद तो किसी इंसान ने रखी है। दुनिया में हर एक चीज़ जो है ना वो इंसानों ने, मतलब अल्लाह ने इंसान को तख्लीक किया, और फिर इंसान के अंदर ये अल्लाह ने वो काबिलियत डाली कि वो जो वो सोच सकता है वो कर सकता है। ठीक है, मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू सो मच। ठीक है,
यस सर, इट्स डन।